welcome to our today's episode. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the best strategy you need for what crypto trading. All right, this video is especially for the new beginners. There are a lot of people asking questions and questions and questions. What is the best strategy out there? This video will solve that problem. Now let's go in. Number one, we have SMC. Simply means smart money concept. All right, we have people that trade resistance and support strategy. We have trend line traders. We have CRT. And then apart from these four that I just listed, there are a lot more of strategy out there. All right, but the best strategy for you depends on you. Now let me tell you something. As a new beginner, when you want to enter into the trading industry, you need to look for one strategy that is well known, that has been back tested and proven that it actually yield results. You don't need your strategy at this time. You need a popular strategy that is well known out there, meaning you must go and get knowledge. You must go and get knowledge. So for example, if out of these four strategies that I just listed, if you want smart money concept, you go and look for the knowledge. Go and look for the knowledge on how to trade using smart money concept. You can buy the courses, you can go to mentorship, you can search on YouTube, you can search online. However means it will take you to get the right knowledge for smart money concept strategy. Go and get it. Then after you have gotten the right knowledge for that, the next step becomes you mastering it. The next step becomes what? You mastering it. When you start mastering smart money concepts, you trade 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 1 year. You will start getting deep knowledge. This deep knowledge comes from sentimental. There's something we call sentimental. Sentimental. All right. This sentimental is a kind of analysis. It has to do with uniqueness. Uniqueness. You understand? So after you've mastered the smart money concept and you keep practicing, as time goes on, you start adopting new things. You start making some changes. You'll be like, no. I think this change of character is not really working for me. Let me make it like this. This one really work. Most of the times, with experience, I've seen that this particular change of character works all the time on this other block. Let me take this. You are adjusting all these things. As you're adjusting, that is called sentimental analysis. Until after you finish adjusting the other blocks, kind of setup, fair value gap, liquidity. When it comes to why I'm asking you to even go for smart money concept is because it's something that is very educating and it helps you understand liquidity and inducement. Because actually what drives the market is liquidity. Liquidity simply means money. All right, where the banks, the hedge funds, big boys, they are trading, a lot of money are going in, cash flow. You need to understand liquidity and you need to understand when there's inducement. So smart money concept cover all of those topics. So it's very broad. Smart money concept is very broad. All right. In smart money concept, you have market structure. Market structure is a very big course. It took me 2 years studying just market structure. With market structure, you can be profitable even. And that's why I keep saying market structure is the king. Until you understand market structure, until you understand how to read the market correctly from the higher time frame, this is top-down analysis. You're not going anywhere. So smart money concept bring all of these things together. We have market structure. We have other blocks. We have liquidity and inducement. We have fair value gaps. This is, I'm just on my next video, I'll break. These are strategies. All right, these are strategies, and each strategy has a lot of things inside of it, a lot of knowledge, in-depth knowledge inside of it. So time will fail me to start explaining what is in this kind of strategy, but I'm just giving, for instance, if you're going for smart money concept, go and get the knowledge first. If you're going for resistance and support, go and get the right knowledge first. If you want to be trading trend line, go and get the knowledge. Whatever strategy you want to adopt, make sure it is something that is popular out there and it has been proven, it has been back tested, okay, that it does well. Then go and get the right knowledge. After that, you now need to start mastering it, mastering the execution, mastering the entry, you know, when to take profit, understanding reactions when it comes to POI and all of that. After you understand these things and keep mastering, as time goes on, you start making adjustments. You start making adjustments. Now, this adjustment that you're making, it is sentimental. It is not applicable to every other person out there. It is personal. It is unique. So all these adjustments will now help to shape you or give you a clear strategy for your personal use. Do you understand? So the right way for a beginner to get the best and perfect strategy is to first of all get knowledge on what these popular ones that is out there. After you have gotten the knowledge, improve, master it. After mastering, make some adjustments, and then you will get the best for yourself, because that one you get is what is working for you. This is after a lot of what tries and experience. All right, this is what you have to be consistent, and you have to keep studying to understand what works best for you. So that is how you choose the best strategy for you as a beginner. There is no other means, because when you go out there is so much messed up with so many strategies, so many big names, so many all of that. Oh my God, there's so much. You just need the foundations, and the foundation when it comes to trading: market structure, demand and supply. Market structure, demand and supply. These are what the foundations. But in all of these strategies, they have everything that they explain. That is why I'm telling you, go and get the knowledge. For me, I'm a smart money trader. This is the strategy that I use. I know of somebody that use support and resistance, and it's fucking big. Okay, some persons use trend line, some persons CRT. I don't know all of these ones. Some are new strategies that just come up. A lot are out there, but whichever you want to focus on, go and get the right knowledge. After that, begin to master it. Begin to master it with consistency. Execute your trade, begin to master it. As time goes on, you start seeing what you're doing well, what is working for you and what is not working for you. You start making adjustments. By the time you start making adjustments, you filter a full strategy for yourself, for your personal use, and you do what? You stick to it and remain consistent with it. That is how you can be able to find a working strategy for you to trade in the industry. Thank you very much for following up this time. And if this is your first time of watching me, please do well to subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you stay active whenever I upload content. You go and watch them and you gain insights when it comes to crypto trading. Thank you. I love you.